Welcome to Divine Femme TV. My name is Sarah Rose, and this is another channeled message for the Divine Feminine Collective. Not every message will resonate with you, but I do trust, and it is the intention that if this video found you, that there is something here for you. So I do recommend you stay through the whole video, just take what resonates. And if you want to check out the playlist, I will link that in the description box below. And at the end of this video, there may be something there that calls to you. So feel free to check that out. So let's go ahead and dive into the message that's coming through very strongly right now, especially right now. So this is a timeless message whenever you land on it. And it's also very timely because this is being recorded right before the full moon in Leo, February 2025, which is a very auspicious time for many divine feminines that have been on this journey for a while and doing the work. You have faced your shadow, you've been doing a lot of inner alchemy, and you are on the precipice of stepping into a whole new timeline. Spirit, divine, the God within you, the infinite intelligence within you, is reflecting back to you right now through me, because we are one, and I am just here as a mere reflection to help you confirm what you already know to be true, and that is that there is still some place where you are giving your power away, where you are not fully choosing you. And you're going to be faced, if you haven't been already faced with, an opportunity that's going to excite you, that's going to light you up, and it may even induce some fear, or it might get your mind going about trying to figure out how it's all going to play out or something like that. You're being guided right now to trust and go all in on you and stop giving your power away. So there's a couple messages coming through for the Divine Feminine that's resonating with this that I'm speaking to right now. One is that you're being divinely guided to take action, sacred action, meaning intuitively guided action, heart-centered action into the unknown, and take a leap of faith on yourself. You are embarking on a whole new chapter. An abundant timeline is unfolding for you. You already know this. I'm here to confirm it, and you're already seeing signs of this. If you're who I'm speaking to right now, the Divine Feminine that I'm speaking to, you're either seeing signs of this as of recently, or you will in the next minutes, days, or weeks to come, because as we move into spring 2025, you're going to be fully moving into your highest timeline to experience in this lifetime, what your soul came to experience. Your heart is guiding you for what your soul came to experience and what your heart has always known to be true for you, your deep heartfelt desires. You're stepping into that timeline. 2025 is the year that will go down in history, not only for you, but for humanity as a transformative year. This is the year where everything shifts, and so you are being guided to take sacred intuitive action on what your heart knows to be true for you, which means you're following your fun, you're following what lights you up, you're following what feels like exhilaration and joy and fun and passion and purpose. You're following that thread, you're following those spiritual nuggets, right? And you're taking those action steps. And you may already be presented with an opportunity that gets you out of your comfort zone, but at the same time, it excites you, it ignites you, it causes an exhilaration. Like, you already know in your heart that this is something that you want to do or take action on or create or whatever. So you're being guided to have courage and trust and faith and fully step into bold authenticity into your next chapter. Fully being the version of you that knows in your heart you are completely guided and supported on this journey. And taking action from that knowingness, that intuitive understanding. This isn't something conceptually you can wrap your mind around, because your mind is going to be playing tricks on you. Your mind is going to be telling you lies and stories and narratives that are rooted in fear and lack and scarcity. And this is a choice point for you to continue to follow what is lighting you up and trusting and knowing in full faith that everything's working out in your favor. The highest possible outcome is the only outcome possible for you. This is the energy you need to be playing in. Total conviction, total unwavering trust and faith in what you're being called to create and what wants to be birthed through you. Okay, so that message wanted to come through. The other message that's coming through is there are places right now where you are still leaking your energy or giving your power away. And you likely already know where this is. It could be in anything. It could be in this twin flame narrative. It could be in your career. It could be in a relationship. It could be in anything, any collaboration, partnership, personal, professional, like you name it. Like, it's going to resonate for everybody differently, but there's places, situations, circumstances that you're still playing small or buying into a story or narrative that is rooted in lack or disempowerment in some way. You're giving your power away and you can no longer lie to yourself. So the message that's coming through is it's time to let go of something. It's time to let go, whether that be a mindset, a belief system, a way of existing. Like, there's something that needs to shift that you're holding on to, a narrative, an outcome, an expectation, a storyline, a future projection. It's something that is not empowering. It's keeping you in a disempowered state. It's leaking your energy and therefore giving your power away. So what storyline, what narrative, what projected outcome or expectation or situation or circumstance is taking up space within you, energetically, mentally, emotionally, within your conscious awareness? Where is it that you're likely conscious of this, but it's so subtle even for some of you that it's flying under your radar, but you can tell if you're honest with yourself that it's disempowering, even if it's subtle. And so the message that's coming through is you can't surrender halfway. You can't let go halfway. You can't release halfway all that is not serving you. And so whatever this is for you, whatever area of life, whatever circumstance, situation, person, expectation, outcome, narrative, belief system, mindset shift, whatever this is that is keeping you in a disempowered state, it's like an anchor that's weighing you down. And you are at a pivotal place on your journey where you are going to fly. You are moving into your most high, abundant, divinely aligned and guided timeline. You're moving into stepping into your purpose more deeply than you ever have before. You're moving into being the divine creator that you are. And there is no room for this anchor that is weighing you down and bogging you down anymore. And so there's something that's being made. There's something that's being brought to your awareness. I'm hearing maybe you're seeing, maybe, Spirit speaking to you in songs. Maybe it's in situations or circumstances that are on repeat and reminding you of something. Maybe it's dreams. Maybe, there's so many ways that you're receiving this, but you may already intuitively know what this is. In fact, what's coming through is you do know. I'm here as a reflection just to confirm that this is it for you. Like, this is it. There is no more hiding from the truth of who you are. So the message that's coming through right now, which is shifting just a little bit, It's all within the same thread, but it's another spin on this message. So what's coming through is you are the prize. You are worthy. Your energy is a gift. Your presence is a gift. You are a magical, worthy being. And this is not to say that you're above anybody else. We are all magical, worthy beings. And it's time for you to wake up and fully embody it. And everybody else is on their own timeline to wake up and fully embody it. But that has nothing to do with you, and you can no longer play small. Here's the message. You can no longer play small to make yourself fit in with those that are not where you're at on your journey. It's time to fully own your divine gifts. It's time to fully own your magic, own your divinity, own your worthiness. You are the prize. Your energy is a gift. Your presence in people's lives, in situations, in circumstances, whether that be relationships, personal, romantic, or professional, is a gift. Doubting your power, doubting your strengths, doubting the gift that you bring is no longer an option. You don't get to play small anymore. That's the message. You don't get to play small. You don't get to hide. You don't get to lie to yourself anymore and say you're good when in actuality you're still leaking your energy and operating from a place of disempowerment. And that's okay. I'm just here to lovingly call this out for you, because as a collective we are rising. This journey is filled with lots of rebirths, lots of transformation, lots of rising from the old version of yourself. And for the divine feminine that I'm speaking to right now, especially during this time. So this message is not only timeless, so even if you land on this a year from now or 5 years from now, it's still relevant. This message applies to you, but it's also very timely right now, especially as we even move into this full moon energy, this full moon in Leo in February 2025. And you can see this reflecting out on the world stage. People are no longer able to brush things under the rug and hide from their littleness or their smallness or their shadow, or where they've been lying to themselves, or where they've been being dishonest or self-abandoning. And on a collective global stage, this is playing out too. Truth is being revealed across all of humanity. This is happening on an individual level and a collective level. And as you rise within your own truth, your own authentic truth, your own divinity, you affect the collective. So the message is very, very clear that wherever you are playing small and not choosing yourself fully, this is being revealed to you so you can make the conscious choice to go all in on yourself. So whatever is bogging you down, whatever is disempowering in your experience, needs to be fully resolved, fully surrendered, fully released. And so I do recommend at the time of this recording, if you happen to be listening to this as we move into this full moon energy, then that you take advantage of the auspicious timing of this message with what's happening astrologically in the collective to support you in this, to really look inward and be honest with yourself. Where are you not fully owning that you are a divinely worthy being of God, and that you are worthy of nothing but the best, that nothing is too good for you. Nothing is too good for you. So I hope this message finds you well. This is what wanted to come through. If it resonated with you, I would love to hear from you in the comments. Let me know. I always love reading the comments. And if you want support on this journey, I welcome you to check out Embody the Empress. That is my Divine Feminine Awakening and Embodiment membership to help you fully step into your sovereignty and shift this journey. And I also have Rise Sister Rise, which is 13 live activations over the course of 13 consecutive weeks where we alchemize the shadow and really activate your divine gifts and magic. So you can go from hiding in the shadows to fully stepping into your boldness as a new earth way shower. So if this resonates with you, you can also find that link wherever you're listening to this. And until next time, I hope this finds you well. Namaste.